Imagine a place where even light can't escape. Sounds impossible, right? But it's real. It's called a black hole, and what lies inside is one of the biggest mysteries in the universe.
Today, we're going beyond the point of no return, crossing the event horizon, into the strangest place physics has ever imagined. The event horizon isn't a wall. It's the invisible boundary where gravity becomes so powerful that escape becomes impossible.
Once you cross that line, every possible path leads only one way, deeper into the black hole. Even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can't turn back.
At the very center lies something called the singularity, a place where matter is crushed into an unimaginably tiny point. Here, our current laws of physics simply stop working. Now imagine falling in feet first. The black hole's gravity pulls much harder on your feet than your head. This terrifying effect is called spaghettification. And here's the surprising part. If the black hole is supermassive, you might cross the event horizon without feeling anything unusual at first. The real danger is still waiting deeper inside. It gets even stranger. Time itself begins to slow down. The closer you get to a black hole, the slower time passes for you compared to someone far away. You'd appear to freeze forever at the edge of the black hole. But from your own perspective, you'd keep falling normally. And here's the truth. Nobody actually knows what happens after that. Every's down at the singularity, leaving one of the universe's greatest mysteries completely unsolved. But here's something surprising. Black holes aren't completely black. Scientists believe they slowly release tiny amounts of energy from their edges. This phenomenon is called Hawking radiation. That means, given enough time, trillions upon trillions of years, even the biggest black holes will slowly evaporate, until nothing remains except a final burst of energy. It's an exciting idea, but there's still no real evidence that actually exist. Black holes remind us of something incredible. Even with all our advanced technology, the universe still holds mysteries that science hasn't fully solved.
So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there is a place where even light can't escape. If you love exploring the impossible, subscribe to What and Why for